The garden gate creaked as Bluey skipped through, her eyes sparkling at the colorful flowers swaying in the breeze of a bright new morning. "Bingo, come see this," she called, her paws brushing against soft petals glowing with pure beauty. Bingo hurried over, her nose twitching. "It smells amazing," she whispered, her tail wagging with curiosity. The air was alive with butterflies, bees humming gently, and sunlight making every flower shine like tiny pieces of treasure. Bluey twirled in the middle of the path, laughing. "It feels like a rainbow grew out of the ground," her voice bubbling with excitement. Bingo picked up a fallen petal, pressing it to her cheek. "It's so soft," she said, giggling as it tickled her fur. 5 seconds later Coco appeared, carrying a tiny watering can. "I want to help the flowers grow," she chirped proudly, splashing water, some hitting Bluey who squealed, "Hey, I'm not a flower," her laughter ringing with happiness. Snickers waddled in next, tripping slightly on the garden stones. "These blossoms are huge," he gasped with wide-eyed amazement. He sniffed a tall sunflower, sneezed loudly, then tumbled backward, sending everyone into roaring laughter. Bluey held her tummy. "You're the funniest pup alive," she giggled. 10 seconds later Muffin joined, her bow bouncing. "Let's make a flower crown," she suggested with eager energy. Together they plucked soft petals from the ground, weaving them into crowns. Bluey placed one on Bingo's head, declaring, "Queen of the garden," while everyone bowed dramatically, their giggles floating like music. Winton showed up carrying a picnic basket. "What's a garden without snacks?" he barked with pride. They all gathered under a blooming cherry tree, munching sandwiches, crumbs dropping into the grass. Suddenly a butterfly landed right on Bluey's nose, and she froze with wide eyes. Bingo gasped, "Don't move," her voice full of suspense. The butterfly fluttered its wings, then flew off gracefully, leaving Bluey laughing with pure delight. The pups then played hide and seek among the flowers. Bluey crouched behind a bush of daisies, giggling so hard her tail gave her away. Coco found her instantly, shouting, "Got you," and they collapsed into another round of joyful laughter. As the sun lowered, the blossoms glowed golden, and Mum walked into the garden, smiling at the sight of muddy paws and flower crowns. "You pups turned the garden into a festival," she said warmly. Bluey nodded. "It's the most magical place ever," her voice soft but filled with awe. Bingo whispered, "Flowers make every day brighter," as she hugged Mum with contentment. Bluey looked at the camera, petals still tangled in her fur. If our garden adventure made you smile, plant a like, hit subscribe, and join us for more blooming adventure.